Hello! Today I'm going to show you a nice property in the area of Pietralunga. It's an old farmhouse which needs some restoring, so it's more a project. One apartment maybe can already be lived in immediately, but the rest needs really repairs and restoring. It has about 5 hectares of land. The border is on this side, okay, but this is the view. You can see it's above a small valley in the area about 3 kilometers away from the village of Pietralunga. Okay, there are some cellars and old stables and stalls down here, and there are 2 apartments, one on top of the other. And the land that belongs to the property is on this side. Here it goes down a bit steep, but there is like a terrace. Now you can't see it well, it's been all overgrown. It hasn't been used for a long time, this land on this side. And here is some flat land, and then the land goes up on that side, and apparently there also is flat land over there at that side. We can't get there now. And also there is this derelict building. It's an old pigsty, as you can see. Okay, it's very old and ruined. But you could repair it and turn it into another annex, or maybe another little house or apartment. Depends on what you want to do. See, this is the old building itself. And below here, it's flat. Okay? And there is this flat terrace also on this side of the house itself, plus above it on the hill. So it wouldn't be bad to maybe put some tents. If you could do agri-camping, you could put maybe some tents over there in the wood. That would be nice. Of course, this is all subject to permission of agri-camping. Okay, so let's see the house itself. It hasn't been lived in for a long time, for at least 7 years. So it's a bit of a mess, really, but I'll show you. There is a barbecue here, and from here you go up in the wood over there. There is some kind of storage area here with a door to outside to the other side. This is the stairs to the first floor, and this is the apartment the stairs to the second floor, and this is the apartment on the first floor. Okay, this apartment is quite well restored. You can see the old beams are still there. It has a new floor, a new kitchen. It has been lived in until a little more recently than the other one. Okay, this is the sitting room. There also is an entrance from outside until in here. Then here we enter the bathroom, a modern bathroom. So this apartment is a place that you could live in immediately. Okay. Here is a small bedroom, a children's bedroom with a large cupboard, and this is the master bedroom with a terrace up front. Here you see the terrace over there. Okay. It's a very quiet area. Okay. The owner used to be a painter, as you can see. There's still many paintings in the house. So this floor is heated on a pellet stove, you know. It's very a cheap way to heat, but very nice. Okay, now, so from the first floor we go up to the second floor outside. I'll first show you the painter's study, where his workshop where he used to paint. Of course now it's a big mess, it's all storage. There is a little sink in there as well. And here we enter the other apartment. On this apartment, on this floor, the roof needs to be redone. It's leaking a bit, so as you can see, it's humid. This is the kitchen with a door to the terrace. Okay. Here is the sitting room. Layout is more or less the same as in the other apartment downstairs. Here is the bathroom. It's not as modern as the apartment below. Here is the children's room. Again, the roof, as you can see, needs to be redone. Hello there. And here is the main bedroom with the terrace on that side. Okay. Nice views. Let me see if I can open. Yeah, there are nice views. Pietralunga is over there. This is the land that you can see below here. It needs fixing up. Here you have the roof, which needs to be redone. It's an old stone-built house, stone-built walls, so it could become really nice. A beautiful place to live, to rent out, and do some farming and maybe agri-tourism or agri-camping, even if that's allowed. So yeah, I would say go to our website, have a look at the website, and to see more information about the price and everything. That's the ruin over there. Okay, with the views. Okay, so www.lecasadidori.com for more information. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.